yogurt beetroot casserole or garlic yogurt beetroot bowl or beetroot raita. One of the tastiest of the beetroot recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beetroot raita recipes and one of the most delicious of the raita recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes. We're going to make garlic beetroot yogurt casserole. You've taken around 150 grams of beetroot cut into pieces, 2 red chili, 10 to 15 garlics, and 10 to 12 shallots. Put in the beetroot pieces into the grinder. Put in 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 shallot, cloves, and grind well, 10 to 15 ml of olive oil. Put in a few mustard seeds and let it fry. Once the mustard seeds start popping, put in the shallots, salt, garlic, put in the ginger, ginger, put the shallot, put in the garlic, add the ginger and the garlic together. Now put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and a half a spoon of chili powder, salt, pour the ground beetroot, salt, condiment, Pour in 100 to 150 ml of water. Saute mix. And let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And cook for the required time. So, put in some salt, mix some salt, add it. Put in the curry leaves, salt curry, put in the 2 red chillies, salt and mix, pour in 100 ml of yogurt, mix, and let the mixture cook for 1 minute in low flame. Garlic beetroot yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic beetroot yogurt casserole, or beetroot raita, or garlic beetroot yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes, and one of the most different of the beetroot raita recipe, and one of the most delicious of the beetroot recipes, and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the yogurt bowl recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.